Let's take a look at some unusual moves in the market today, at least in terms of what we normally see these stocks do. And I got to start with Google. I know we've been talking about Google a lot today, but it's worth talking about. The shares are at a record. They're up the most in one day since 2008. These are the A shares, Goog with an L on the end, up 16% right now, and really helping contribute to the gains that we're seeing in the NASDAQ versus the S&P and the Dow, which are falling. All of this on the back of the company's earnings, revenue rising 13%. The CFO, Ruth Porat, saying that the company will exercise expense management and prioritize revenue growth, and the market liking that commentary. Now, because of the gain that we are seeing in the stock and the size of it today, that means that the company's two founders are adding just a little bit to their net worth. Larry Page and Sergey Brin each adding $4 billion. So $8 billion total added to these gentlemen's net worth today. Their total net worth, by the way, each is around $32 billion. That's including today's gain. For the year, their net worth has each risen by about $7 billion, as we have seen Google shares rise by about 20%. Other unusual moves today include the move that we have seen in Etsy. And this one actually has a little bit to do with Google. This was almost a throwaway line in Google's conference call today. Developers like Etsy are already seeing a boost in traffic as a result of deep linking. That comment alone is causing these shares to surge by 25%, but not really that comment alone, because you also have to consider the short interest in Etsy. Take a look at my Bloomberg terminal for that. We're seeing short interest in the stock. You've seen it's gone up a lot. 46% of this company's float is sold short. What that means is when you see a big surge in the stock, you then have people who have sold it short start to cover those shorts and push the stock up even more. So that's one of the reasons why we are seeing such an outsized gain in Etsy today, guys.